tower N123AB. Established on final. Runway 05 full stop landing. Ensweather 3AB. Tower winds 062. At 8 knots runway or 5 cleared to land. Cleared to land runway 05 N123AB. N123AB traffic ahead. Vacating runway. Caution possible. Wake turbulence. Roger, N123AB will maintain awareness for wake turbulence. N123AB, check your speed. You're slightly fast, reduced to final approach speed. Reducing speed to final approach speed, N123AB. Ensweather 3AB, you're 3 miles final winds now. 050 at 10 knots runway. 05 continue approach. Continuing approach, N123AB. N123AB traffic on base leg will hold short. No conflict, continue. Copy N123AB. N123AB, you are cleared to land. Runway 05 wind 04 RU at 9 knots. Cleared to land runway 05 N123AB. N123AB after landing vacate left via taxiway. Alpha 2 then contact ground on 1 and 21.9.